It's a landmark judgment with big implications for other online companies. The European Court of Justice ruled that Uber is a taxi service and not a technology firm, as the company insists. It means Uber will now have to comply to the same regulation as other transport firms, rules that can be set at country level. The long-running court case was first brought by taxi drivers in Spain, where the backlash against Uber's been explosive. Thousands of taxi drivers took to the streets accusing the company of unfair competition. There were similar scenes in several other cities. This was Paris, and this demonstration brought central London to a standstill. And in Lebanon, Uber's been under mounting scrutiny after a driver with previous criminal convictions allegedly murdered a British embassy worker this month. Here in London, Uber had its licence revoked back in September for breaching operating rules, including its handling of alleged sex attacks. Still, there are 3.5 million Uber users here, and many were angry with that decision. Part of the company's enduring appeal is that it's efficient and cheap, much cheaper than traditional black cabs. For now, it's been allowed to continue operating in the capital while it appeals the decision. The European Court's ruling isn't legally binding, but it does send a message to other high-tech firms. Uber's one of several companies facing legal battles in recent years. Airbnb, another San Francisco-based firm, allows people to rent out their homes to visitors. But cities such as Barcelona and Berlin want to regulate usage to avoid driving up rents and forcing out locals. Experts say it's important to uphold regulation without stifling innovation.
If you look at many of the new tech firms, yes, they have a new way of delivering things, but the main reason they're making money is often by getting around rules, tax, regulation, the kind of things that the average companies have to apply with.
The digital revolution's advancing at breakneck speed. Now the law needs to pick up the pace. Niamh Barker, Al Jazeera, London.